Okay, so when we look at our PHP, this could be a index.php, or it could be the HTML file, like in this case. So we're looking at the email folder, which is available online. So we have this first file, which is index.html. Now, when we look at it, it has the different form controls or the input controls, which are generally going to be the text boxes or the input area for you to type in anything as a user. So right at the end we have a label, which is generally the button that allows us to submit the form. When we click on submit, it's going to take an action and it's going to execute this contact.php file. It's actually on the server, so you need to make sure the correct path has been specified. Now, where is this file? This file is situated in the scripts folder. It's in the scripts folder. As you can see, the path here, scripts, contact.php. Now, when we open this, so you would need to make the correct changes and make sure the path is correct when you upload it to the server. So when we look at the PA contact.php, which is a server-side script, the only areas you're going to change are going to be everything in single quotes. So your name, your email address, and anything that you would like in the subject, and a referring page. Basically, the referring page tells you if it once it's been submitted, it's going to say, it has been submitted. Otherwise, you can have another referring page too, which will generally say it was not submitted or unsuccessful. So this is the area that you need to make the changes in. So once that's done, you're going to have to drag and drop the whole folder onto the Ned server and then test it. So generally you have an index file, index.html, then you have a contact.php file. The index.html file calls a contact.php file when you click on submit, and it submits everything, and then it sends you to a referring page. If you have any of the references incorrect, for example, if it's unable to reach the contact.php, if the path is incorrect, it is not going to work because it's trying to access contact.php. It's not going to submit anything. If the path is incorrect, it will not work. Also, if you do not have an email address, a valid email address, it will not work.
What about the last two?
The last two? Your subject. So whenever you send an email, you have a subject area, don't you?
Yeah.
That's what this is. You could change that. What do you want it to say in the subject box? Then lastly, you have referring page. After you've clicked submit, do you want it to go to another page, say thank you for sending your email? That's what referring page refers to.
But what I'm saying, when I have the box, the user might write something. But why should I write in the HTML code?
So why would you want anything in the subject? So if you have a website, you get hundreds of emails every day. So how do you know which emails are coming through your website and which are not? So for your own reference, you could say email from website, so you know that this submission was from your website and not directly from a customer or a potential customer. So that's why you generally need to have a subject box there, yes.